Hi friends, welcome to SGK English for a new video. Today let us learn preposition with intransitive verbs. Prepositions used with intransitive verbs. Actually it is a grammar lesson meant for 10th class children of Andhra Pradesh. Textual grammar 10th class AP unit 4. Okay, but preposition is an evergreen topic. Anybody can watch. All are welcome. It is good that you know something more about preposition to learn some prepositions too. Okay, so all are welcome. Let us come to the lesson. But before beginning the lesson, let me invite you to subscribe if you have not, and support me by giving a like, and also enable the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, let us come to the lesson. See, look here. I bought a book. A simple sentence. I bought a book. Can you change the voice of it? A book was bought by me. I bought a book. A book was bought by me. Whereas, I go to Vijayawada. Can you change the voice? Can you say Vijayawada is gone by me? No. Birds fly in the sky. Can you say passive voice? Sky is flown by the birds? No. Why? Why? What is the difference? Here, see, this is subject, this is verb, this is object. Okay. This is object. So S plus V plus O, V plus O plus V plus S. Active voice, passive voice. But here I go to Vijayawada. Vijayawada is not the object. Okay, na? Not the object. So go is a verb that is not transitive but intransitive. So what is transitive and intransitive? See, transitive verbs, they are verbs having direct object. I bought what? A book. What did I buy? A book. Is it not so? Raju killed what? A snake. His father gave him what? A gift. Direct object is there. But whereas intransitive is having no direct object but makes sense by itself. Without object also meaning is complete, meaning is clear. So verbs are of two types, transitive and intransitive. Okay now, transitive and intransitive. These intransitive verbs, you see, they don't have a direct object, but they take a preposition as the object. I go where? To Delhi. I come from where? From Rajahmundry. Okay, I go to, I come from. Yes. So they don't have a direct object, and so they take a preposition as a object. Okay. So see some examples you see in your textbooks. I see chart is given, some words are given where all very easy you can find the other side some exercise there. So you have to find the answers. If any all simple, if any difficulty is there, of course you make your comment. I will answer them. All your queries will be answered. Now come to something more. See, some of them are used as a phrasal verbs. Not all, but some of them are used as a phrasal verbs. So what is a phrasal verb? See, what's it? Phrasal verb is, what is it? Can you tell me? I told in another video. What's it? Phrases used as verbs by adding a preposition, an adverb, or both. See, phrases, used as verbs by adding an adverb, a preposition, or both. See, for example, put up with means tolerate. See, all these three words together, brings one meaning, one sense. Put up with, you have to put up with your neighbor, whether he is good or not, whether his behavior is good or not. put up with, the meaning of it is tolerate. We have seen in another video, no problem. Okay. See, or look forward to, I am looking forward to, I'm meeting you. See, so put up, that is actually adverb, but with is a preposition. Simple example take, sit down, sit down. The down is a adverb. Stand up, up is a adverb. So you have to stand up, you see, against, injustice. That means fight against. So against is a preposition, up is a adverb. So what is the phrasal verb? Phrases used as verbs by adding a preposition, an adverb, or both. It can be by adding a preposition, it can be by adding an adverb, it can be adding preposition and adverb both. Some examples are here. Put up with, look forward to, run out of. So here it is only adverb, not preposition. Today our topic is preposition. See some examples given there. You see, suffer from. You can use only that. I suffer from a headache. I am suffering from. Okay. You cannot use any other preposition with that. You cannot say suffer with headache. No. You see, suffer anything else. Nothing. Suffer from. You see, suffer is a verb. It will be from. Prefer to. I prefer tea to coffee. Very often asked. See, I prefer. I prefer. What do you prefer? I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea. Don't say tea than coffee. Wrong. Prefer to. Suffer from. Agree with. I agree with you. I agree at what you said. With a person, at a thing. I agree at, see, what you said. You said something just now. I agree at. Or I disagree also. Okay, now. With and at, both are there. Call on means visit. It's a phrase. Call on. I will call on you. Call on a person. Call at means at a place. You see, at your house. See, call on and call at. I am proud of you, my children. Okay, my friends. Married to. He is good at making jokes. Not getting marks, making jokes in the class. Differ from. You see, it is different from what we saw yesterday. Okay, so many examples are here. Exercise given there. They are all simple. If you find any of them difficult, make your comment. I will answer them. Your questions all will be answered. Okay, detailed study of preposition. There is a, there is a video in SGK English. Please, once refer. For detailed study of preposition, part 1 and 2. Two videos are there, prepositions. Okay, na? Study them in detail in SGK English. Here we saw, intransitive verbs, as they don't have a direct object, will take a preposition as its object. Okay, now that is what we discussed today. Transitive, intransitive, transitive here, intransitive here. Some examples of phrasal verbs. See, once again, remember phrasal verbs, what are they? Phrases used as verbs by adding a preposition, an adverb, or both preposition and adverb. The adverb preposition. Okay, na? Adverb preposition. It is adverb preposition. Okay, now that is phrasal verb. Yes. Go through them, find the examples there given in the textbook. If there is any doubt, please make your comments. All your questions will be answered. Okay, now see all these things. Thank you for watching. Meet you with another video. Goodbye.